my name is Samantha and I'm an air fryer addict, and today I'm going to be showing you how to cook your favourite sausages in the air fryer. It doesn't matter how they are seasoned, what size they will cook perfectly in your air fryer. Have you tried the air fryer free mini course? Are you new to the air fryer? Let me introduce you to our 5-day free quick start mini course. It answers a lot of beginner air fryer questions, gives you simple air fryer recipes to follow, and helps you get confident with your air fryer. You can get it for free at recipethis.com/ebooks or search recipethis.com for air fryer mini course. So even though I often cook sausages in the air fryer from frozen, they don't have to be frozen. You can use normal thawed sausages that you just grabbed from the butchers. These are some sausages that we got from our butchers at Christmas, and there was a special deal on them. We've had loads of them in the freezer and we defrosted them yesterday, and then they're perfect for the air fry today. It's up to you what you do. These are linked. You can cut them up or you can air fry them linked. I'm going to chop these up, and then if you have a look on screen now, you'll see our other video for frozen sausage links in the air fryer, and we haven't chopped those up, and we'll be showing you how we cut them together in the air fryer and how it doesn't matter if they're stuck together. So there you have it, they're the sausages. Quick scissors, and they're ready to go in. So, air fry basket, you can spread them out if you want, but I found that because you can turn them halfway through cooking, that it doesn't matter if they're kind of laid out a bit like that. It doesn't matter if there's a second layer or anything like that. So, these sausages, they're all ready for air frying. We're going to start with 8 minutes at 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit. And then when it beeps, we're going to check on them, turn them, and see how they're doing. So let's check on the sausages, shall we? As you can see, they're getting some brown colour on them because they've already done the 8 minutes, and you're just kind of checking on them, making sure that they're nicely turned so that they've all got a chance to cook and get some brown colour to them, because sausages in the air fryer are absolutely yummy. And just like if you did them on the grill, the fatty bits of the sausage go into the bottom basket. Something worth mentioning that a lot of people ask about, and that is that why does the air fryer smoke so much when they're cooking sausages? Well, it actually comes down to which sausages you air fry. Cheap, incredibly fatty sausages will smoke. I'm talking to you, Richmond sausages, you smoke a ridiculous amount, but take on a normal butcher's sausages and you're fine. Or if you want to avoid smoke completely, use chicken or turkey sausages because they have a much lower fat content. So let's get them back on, shall we? So, same cook time again. And the great thing is about Philips is it remembers your last cook time. So another 8 minutes. And we beeped. And you now have perfectly cooked, brown in colour, crispy, beautiful sausages. Kind of think of them a bit like if you cook sausages on a barbecue. If you think of how lovely barbecue sausages are and that lovely brown coating they've got, then this is what air fried sausages are all about. You know, you can cook them for less and they will be cooked, but they won't have that lovely brown coating on them like you get on a 16-minute cook time. It just depends on how you like your sausages. You know, these are how we have ours. And we are British, of course, so sausages normally ends up in a sausage butty, probably with some bacon as well that can also be air fried, and some tomato ketchup, and it's wonderful for those that hangover food or just for Sunday brunch. Today's recipe is all part of one of our themes that we're running at the moment. It's called 12 idiot-proof air fryer recipes. Not my choice of title, but one of my readers asked me for air fryer recipes that were idiot-proof, that was so simple that a child could do them, and that's what today's recipes are about. The reason we run themes on our YouTube channel is so that we can focus on a certain type of cooking. You can scroll through our videos and then see which one best applies to you, and then you can pick and choose which ones of our air fryer recipes you are going to recreate at home. Thanks so much for watching. We would love it if you joined the Recipe This family. You can get as involved as you like. You're welcome to follow us on Facebook or Pinterest. Join our Facebook groups, we have 2. Join our Kitchen Gadgets newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to ding the bell for instant notifications. Or check out our podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets and is a great way to listen along as we talk about the magic of cooking with kitchen gadgets. Even better, if you head over to recipethis.com, you'll find more than 1,000 kitchen gadget recipes. Think air fryer, instant pot, soup maker, slow cooker, bread maker and more.